Hi guys and welcome to Baby Goose's Kitchen. I'm Samantha and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make beef and barley soup using a pressure cooker. So let me take you over to the ingredients and stay tuned and enjoy. So over here I have 500 grams or a pound of beef. And you can use any cut. It doesn't have to be an expensive cut because this is a soup and it's all going to cook down completely. So I'm using iChuck over here. It's pretty reasonable. And to this I've cut them into small chunks. To this we're going to add some all-purpose flour, we're going to mix this. Now this dish is in between of a soup and a stew. That's the way I like it. We're just going to coat the pieces with flour. So here I have some olive oil, and to this I'm going to add our beef. And we're just going to brown this for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of browning the meat, we're going to throw in our vegetables. We've got some bay leaves, onions, garlic, carrot and celery. And we're just going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes we are going to throw in our barley. I have rinsed this barley several times and this is only half a cup. It makes a lot. And rosemary leaves, dried rosemary leaves, some red pepper flakes if you like it hot. We're going to season this with salt and pepper. And our chicken stock, about 8 cups of chicken stock. Make sure you scrape the edges of your pan. All those yummy brown bits are very flavorful. It's a boost of flavor. So I'm going to throw in 8 cups of stock. And we're going to close the lid. Secure it with the lid. So I have covered my pressure cooker and secured it. And now we're going to turn the heat really high. We're going to bring this to full pressure. It would take about, I think, once you hear the whistle, like mine doesn't whistle, but if your cooker whistles, you know it's done. After that, we're going to simmer this for 25 to 30 minutes. This is seriously a one-pot dish. My soup cooked covered with the lid for 25 minutes, and once the steam completely escaped, I uncovered it and I just turned the stove to high. I turned the heat high, not the stove, and I'm going to add a cup and a half of mushrooms. And we're just going to let this cook till the mushroom cooks for about, I guess, about 4 to 5 minutes. Mushrooms cook down for 4 minutes, and now this is the last step. We're going to throw in our parsley and our peas. And just cook this for a minute or two, and it's completely ready after that. I'm going to try the soup for you. It looks amazing, and the aroma, the rosemary and all the vegetables and bay leaves simply amazing and truly divine. So I'm gonna try this for you. It's blazing hot right now, and the barley and meat is perfectly cooked. It's hot, but this is so good, especially during the winter time where it's nice and cold. This hot, hearty soup is the best way to go. It's so healthy also. You're gonna love it. So I hope you had fun with me on today's episode, and I sure hope you go and try this dish out. Using a pressure cooker makes everything very easy and simple. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, don't worry. You can just cook this in a different pot. Only thing is cook it longer and you simmer it for 2 hours. So I'll see you soon on another exciting episode of Baby Goose's Kitchen. Till then, do like and subscribe, and bye-bye.